What's the meaning of barometer? Barometer. Barometer.
Barometer. Barometer. The term barometer refers to an instrument used for measuring atmospheric pressure, which is the force exerted by the weight of air molecules in the Earth's atmosphere. In other words, it measures the weight of the air pressing down on the Earth's surface. Atmospheric pressure is an important factor in determining weather patterns, as well as in the fields of aviation and scuba diving. The earliest barometers were simple devices that used changes in the level of mercury in a glass tube to indicate changes in pressure, but today there are electronic and digital barometers that use other methods to measure pressure.